In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Polygon in MetaMask. First, open MetaMask. You will likely see your current wallet and the assets you hold. This is the starting point for everything you will do in MetaMask. If you are using a mobile device, locate the MetaMask app icon and tap on it. If you are on a browser, find the MetaMask extension icon in your toolbar. Once you have MetaMask open, everything else will flow from this point. This step is crucial as it connects you to your wallet, where you can manage your cryptocurrencies and interact with different networks. Next, open the Networks menu. On your screen, look for the Network dropdown, usually located at the top of the MetaMask interface. Tapping or clicking on this will display a list of available networks. This menu is where you will select which blockchain network you want to connect to. It is important to familiarize yourself with this menu as it allows you to switch between different networks seamlessly, making your transactions smoother and more efficient. From there, find Polygon under Additional Networks or search for Polygon. As you scroll through the list, look for the entry labeled Polygon. If you don't see it immediately, you can use the search bar to type in Polygon. This feature saves you time and helps you quickly navigate through numerous networks. Identifying Polygon here is essential as it will enable you to access its functionalities, especially if you're planning to engage with decentralized applications on the Polygon network. Now, select Add or the plus icon next to Polygon. When you find Polygon, you will notice an option to add it to your network list. Tapping this will initiate the process of including Polygon in your MetaMask settings. This step is significant because by adding Polygon, you will be able to transact on its network and take advantage of its lower fees and faster transaction speeds. You will see a confirmation appear indicating that the network has been successfully added. After that, confirm the network addition. A prompt will appear asking you to review the details of the network you are about to add. Take a moment to ensure everything is correct. Confirming this addition solidifies your connection to Polygon, allowing you to start using it right away. This is a vital step to secure your settings and ensure you're set up correctly for future transactions. At this point, select Polygon when you want to use the network. You can return to the Networks menu anytime to switch from your current network to Polygon. Once selected, you will notice that your wallet is now connected to the Polygon blockchain. This makes it easy to interact with decentralized finance applications or trade tokens without switching wallets. It's reassuring to know that you can now enjoy the benefits of using Polygon seamlessly. Note that Polygon's native gas token is POL. Understanding this is crucial as you will need POL to pay for transaction fees on the Polygon network. Always ensure you have a sufficient balance of POL when engaging in transactions. This knowledge empowers you to navigate the network confidently, ensuring you can participate fully in its ecosystem. In summary, setting up Polygon in MetaMask is a straightforward process that opens a world of possibilities for your cryptocurrency transactions. By following these steps, you ensure that your wallet is equipped for the fast and low-cost transactions that Polygon offers. Thank you for watching and happy transacting on Polygon.